bringing you another review of Transformers. So this time is not good. Yep. I look funny. Not Gale. And we gotta zoom in. Come on. Get this machine boy. That this is a part of a massive fuck. There's a lot of things to do. Get back and by the fight out there. That. Oh. 90 seconds, guys. Faster than is hard. There we go. Here we go. What the fuck? So this figure is freaking damn rock solid. What the fuck? That's joint. Let's fix. Wow. A loose part? Ah, shit. Ah. Then that far. Like a ball joint here. Can look that far and down that far. Rotation to the arm. Arm moves out. Another arm moves out. Swivel here. An individual finger. Ooh. And good spread. Then get I'm not sure. No. And bend that thing. And then down. That's more in the transformation. I cannot do the transformation. That's fucking hard. I just opened it a lot of times. It's hard. Hard. If you're doggy into my channel, please click the doggy sign in there, so you cannot miss every www.com gonna give you the link below. Here's the link below. www.com machineboy.com. Also, no, fuck. Goodbye.